Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create and manage a new organization in Zoho Books. First, log into your Zoho Books account and navigate to the dashboard. Next, click on your organization name at the top right corner of the screen. Then click the Manage icon, gear symbol, to access your organization settings. To create a new organization, click the New Organization button, then select Add New Organization. This will open a form where you can enter the details of your new organization. Start with the organization name, followed by the location, such as your address or city. Once all the information is filled in and reviewed, click Let's Get Started. And that's it. You've successfully created a new organization in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.